Welcome to our documentary on the fascinating world of the ARA palm. In this video, we will take you through the entire process of growing, nurturing, harvesting, and processing the ARA palm. From its significant role in local traditions to its modern applications, the ARA palm remains an essential crop in many tropical regions. Let's dive in and explore this amazing journey together. The ARA palm is a tropic plant that flourishes in warm and humid climates. It is primarily cultivated in countries such as India, Bangladesh, Indonesia, and the Pacific Islands, where it plays a significant cultural and economic role, especially in rural communities. As of 2024, it is estimated that more than 900,000 hectares worldwide are dedicated to ARA palm cultivation, with India being the largest producer, contributing approximately 51% of the total global cultivation. Growing ARA palms is a process that requires proper care and techniques to ensure healthy growth and, a good yield. The ARA palm is suited to humid tropical climates, needing warm temperatures and well-drained soil. Farmers typically choose land with a pH level between 5.5 and 6.5. And light loamy soil is the ideal environment for the palm's development. The palms are planted either from seeds or seedlings, spaced about 2.5 to 3 meters apart to give the roots and canopy room to grow. In recent years, advances in farming techniques have led to more efficient cultivation methods, reducing labor and, honestly, increasing yield per hectare. New hybrid ARAs have been introduced, offering better resistance to pests while growing faster and producing larger nuts. Yields irrigation is an essential factor in growing ARA palms, especially during the dry season. Nowadays, many farms use drip irrigation systems. Newly planted trees, need to be watered more frequently to ensure their roots firmly anchor into the soil. Once established, the trees can tolerate moderate drought, but regular watering during the planting and fruiting stages is, crucial for achieving high yields. Like many other crops, ARA palms need regular fertilization to promote healthy and robust growth. Pest control for ARA palms is also an important step in the care process, ensuring the yield and quality of the Areca nuts. To prevent and manage pest infestations, farmers must regularly inspect the trees and apply pesticides in the correct dosage and at the right time. Farmers need to properly mix the pesticide with water to ensure even distribution and maximum effectiveness. In the past, farmers had to climb the trees or use ladders to spray the pesticide, which was both dangerous and labor-intensive. However, nowadays, pesticide spraying drones are available. These drones are programmed to spray pesticides with precision and efficiency, saving time, effort, and reducing direct exposure to harmful chemicals. Harvesting is, honestly, one of the most labor-intensive stages in ARA cultivation. So, farming these trees, they actually start bearing fruit after about 5 to 7 years. And, one tree can produce between 300 and 500 nuts annually, depending on the variety and the growing conditions. The harvest season typically takes place from August to January. Harvesting is usually done manually by climbing the trees, which can reach heights of up to 20 meters. The nuts can be picked by hand or knocked off using long poles. The use of mechanized harvesters is being trialed in some regions, but it has not yet been widely adopted due to the high costs and technical challenges of accessing the slender ARA palm trunks. Harvesting is usually done manually by climbing the trees, which can reach heights of up to 20 meters. The nuts can be picked by hand or knocked off using long poles. The use of mechanized harvesters is being trialed in some regions, but it has not yet been widely adopted due to the high costs and technical challenges of accessing the slender ARA palm trunks. Below is the process of drying Areca nuts, which is practiced by local communities. After harvesting, people carefully remove the nuts from the branches and then proceed to peel them. The workers use sharp knives to score the outer shell, then slowly and skillfully peel it off. In more modern regions, machines may be used to peel the nuts to save time and effort. Once the outer shell is removed, the nuts reveal the white core and seed. So, inside the peel, nuts are then boiled to release the natural red dye from the seed and core. This red liquid is often used as a natural dye. After boiling for a certain period, the Areca seeds are soaked or dipped in this red water to, continue the dyeing process. The ARA nuts then absorb the characteristic color of the liquid, creating either a bright red or deep red hue, depending on the dyeing time and, well, the amount of liquid used. Used after completing the drying process, the nuts are removed and well sun-dried. This drying process can take anywhere from a few days to a week, depending on the weather conditions. Drying ensures that the nuts reach an ideal moisture level for long-term storage without mold or spoilage. The Areca nuts are also dried and packaged through a manufacturing process using advanced technology. The production process begins with an automatic cutting system that uses image recognition algorithms to identify and sort each type of nut. These are first cleaned of impurities, then grabbed by robotic arms and sent to the cutting machine where they are halved. Next, the nuts are classified by size and transferred into various containers to continue the processing. The factory is equipped with multiple production lines to ensure synchronization and efficiency. After being cut, the nuts undergo a secondary sorting process using optical sorting machines, which sort them at high speed based on shape, color, and size. Following that, the nuts are automatically injected with seasoning and neatly arranged into specialized trays. This process ensures that the nuts are properly placed and do not fall out. After passing through the conveyor belts and funnels, they are reloaded into trays and sent to a scanning area to continue the injection of a special brine solution, giving the product its unique flavor. The factory is equipped with multiple production lines to ensure synchronization and efficiency. After being cut, the nuts undergo a secondary sorting. The brine is injected into the nuts in liquid form, sorting them at high speed based on shape, color, and size, and are sent through various injection gates to complete the packaging process. Following that, the nuts are automatically injected with seasoning and neatly arranged into specialized trays. This process ensures that the nuts are properly placed and do not fall out. After passing through the conveyor belts and funnels, they are reloaded into trays and sent to a scanning area to continue the injection of a special brine solution, giving the product its unique flavor. This process ensures that the nuts are properly placed and do not fall out. After passing through the conveyor belts and funnels, they are reloaded into trays and sent to a scanning area to continue the injection of a special brine solution, giving the product its unique flavor. Thank you for following our comprehensive journey through the cultivation and processing of Areca Palm. Feel free to leave a comment and share your thoughts with us. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss the next exciting documentaries on agriculture.